OSN Membrane Botanical Micellar Processing System. Today's processing methods are an ongoing evolution to improve product quality, reduce costs, and increase process efficiency. Let's look at a popular processing method using a solvent. The method of choice to make extracts using a solvent such as ethanol is with a centrifuge. A centrifuge is used to wash biomass and later spin at great forces to recover the solvent from the biomass. These systems have had only minor improvements over the years. Legacy systems advocate using expensive chillers to extract using cold solvents. Thanks to technological advances, this is no longer necessary. The solvent with oils from the biomass or micellar stream is stored in a holding tank and can be reused several times to wash more biomass. Once the solvent is saturated, it proceeds to a pre-filter to remove large particles. The method of choice for this process is a filter press. We prefer filter presses because they increase processing speed and efficiency and drastically reduce operating costs over other technologies, like lenticular modules. Our filter presses are CGMP compliant and don't leak or require filter paper. The filtered stream is stored in a buffer tank and continues to OSN membrane filtration. This process removes liquids, fats, waxes, gums, most sugars, and chlorophyll. This step is an improvement over standard winterization, as it does not require refrigeration. Also, unlike winterization alone, OSN removes most sugars and water solubles and degums your solution. The stream continues to an agitation tank for remediation if necessary. In this step, we add an adsorbent like carbon to remove residual chlorophyll and other contaminants. Unlike other methods, this process allows us to use our adsorbent of choice for supplemental remediation. This is a more cost-effective solution than lenticular modules, yet achieves the same results, taking advantage of adsorbent electrokinetic forces to improve filtration. Using the same filter press, we remove all adsorbent particles from our micellar stream. Once again, our solution returns to a holding tank and continues to the OSN membrane for a non-thermal solvent recovery. The result is two streams: crude extract ready for removal of residual solvent, decarboxylation and distillation, and clean solvent for extractions. Notice this process uses only one filter press and one OSN membrane filter. Both machines have multiple capabilities. This simplistic approach eliminates equipment that reduces maintenance and operating expenses without sacrificing quality. This setup can be scaled from small labs running £50 per day to large operations running tons per day. Our processing method will produce higher yields and extraction efficiency than cold extraction, and better quality crude than thermal-based solutions. OSN technology has the lowest capex and opex in current botanical processing methods and produces the highest quality crude possible. It can be used for solvent recovery, winterization and degumming, and terpene isolation.